It was a fun day at Adventure Beach. Kelly and Rainbow Dash are having fun in the sand. What's Peppa up to? I want to take a look at the fish. Come here, Nemo. Come here, whale. Are you hungry? Here's a big hamburger for both of you. Ooh, that looks yummy.
Ooh. I want all of that.
Be careful, whale. Oh no, Peppa fell down. And the whale is having all the burger for himself.
Oh, yummy. Now I want to play with Peppa.
Oh no, the whale wants to play with Peppa. We gotta warn the Paw Patrol. Whee! Rubble, Rubble, Peppa's in trouble. We need help. What's wrong, Rainbow Dash? The whale is taking her away. Come on, we gotta save her. Sea Patrol assemble! Skye, Zuma, Marshall, Rocky, Rubble, we have a mission. Skye, I need you to fly high and find the location of Peppa and the whale. This pup's gotta fly. Zuma, it's scuba time. Get in the water and help out the Paw Patrol. Rubble, we need your construction boat crane to pull away the whale from Peppa. I'm on it. Rubble on the double. Sea Patrol is on the roll. This pup's gotta fly. Watch out, Nemo. First I'll use the watercraft. Chase is on the case. I better warn all the swimmers to get away from the sea. Oh ladies, you need to swim away from the whale. Whale? Oh no! Let's get out of here, Elsa. Look, no sign of Peppa and the whale. I think I need to transform my watercraft into a plane. Now I'll get a better view of the sea. This pup's gotta fly. No sign of them. Whoa, there they are. I better run Chase. Come on, Chase. Skye, I found them. There they are. Hey whale, can we grab Peppa?
No, I want to play with Peppa.
Let me stun the whale with my flashlight. He might get scared away. It's not doing anything. The whale is too big.
Whoa, whoa, get out of here.
I have an idea. Marshall, capture the whale first. I'm on it. Okay, the whale is all tied up. Come, Peppa, let's get out of here. It's all up to you, Rubble. Rubble on the double. Just tie him to my crane and I'll take it away into the deep sea. That's a great plan, Rubble. It's all yours, Rubble. Bye-bye, whale. I see them on the surface. We need your help, Chase. One lifesaver coming up. Okay, Peppa, grab one. Oh, thank you, thank you. Hop on.
This is so much fun!
Yay! Peppa is saved! Great job, guys! That was awesome rescue! There are lots of fun Sea Patrol vehicles that are out in the shops. This video featured the Sea Patrol beach towel from Paw Patrol. These are new sets of toys that feature the Sea Patrol. Let's build up this beach tower. The setup is very easy. All you have to do is click. Now let's click this part. Here's the ramp. Just slide it over. Here's some fun looking stickers. Maybe you can ask an adult to put these stickers for you. Maybe you can ask an adult to put these stickers for you. Alright, I'm almost done with the stickers. You get 2 lifesavers. All you do is insert it in here and push the button. Here we have Chase and his watercraft. He has a completely different suit for the scuba diving. This watercraft can roll. Sea Patrol is on the roll. This video also features Marshall and Rubble. With their beach skate shop. This is a new toy from Paw Patrol. If you want a detailed review of this playset, please click the link at the end of the video. And you'll find out how Marshall and Rubble saved Greg